Next one. Please make this ad present a simple HTML form that asks the user for an input and sends that to the server. Right, so if I run this back to, spinning the things here already. So if I run this on Gemini, right, same conversation that we have here, that's the important part. You need to kind of, if you want to carry a conversation, you need to be able to reference back to a message that you exchanged in the past. So if I send this one, it's going to spit out some new code here. And I'll do like before, just a quick explanation on what this does. So if you don't know any of this, don't worry. Basically saying you can present some information, that's the get, and you can also send information to the server, that's the post. Whenever we receive information, that's going to come in this field called user input, and then it's going to use this other form HTML. This is a new addition.